Okay, hello YouTube. I am back with a DIY video actually, and I just wanted to come on here real quick to show you guys a DIY that I'm doing for my table. Basically, it is this right here. I went and got some mats from the dollar store, and basically just gluing some diamond wrap ribbon around it, and these little pieces right here I got from Michael's, and I thought it came out pretty decent, so I wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. So this is going to be a quick video because I have so much to do. So basically I already cut my strips for this DIY, and I cut it in fours right here. Cut it in fours, and just taking a low temp hot glue gun, diamond wrap, and these little pieces that I got from Michael's right here. I think these are so cute. So I'm going to start gluing. I rather glue these on first before I put the diamond pieces on there. So just let me show you guys what the mat look like. It's just a plain mat from the dollar store. You know, it says blessed on it. I, kind of like that because the color of my house is, black and white. So I thought I wanted to, do something a little different, for my mats for the holidays. So this is what I came up with here. So I'm just gonna put a little glue right here just to get it started. Yes, and I gotta go have my nails cut down, guys. Yes, I am back home from Vegas, and I will not be doing no more traveling until all the holidays are over with. So I'm just sticking that down first to get that started. Net glue these strings. So basically, guys, what I'm going to do is just glue, just hot glue these ribbons on the mat, and then put the diamond pieces on there like so. And then we have our own custom made plate mat for your tables. You could do these for, the holidays to, you know, judge up your tablescape, a little differently. And that's what I love doing that. I love changing things up. I, you know, just love different things. So, yes, guys, I had a ball in Vegas, and I'm going to be home until the holidays is over with, and then I will start traveling once again. So, yes, I'm having a ball, guys. Oh my goodness. But I hope all you guys are okay out there. Um, hey, just be safe, because I hear this virus is coming back, guys, with a vengeance. Yes, it is. So just be safe, Be safe. Take care of yourselves out there. Take your vitamins, If you're on a vitamin regimen, do that. It do help, because I started a regimen when this thing first started. Vitamin C, D, all of that, I started taking, and it really, really do help. So yeah, so I'm just gluing this on. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. These strings, when you're messing with these glue guns, oh goodness, them little things get on my nerves. But yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to just finish gluing this on. I'm trying to glue it in little pieces, because sections, because I want to save the part where I'm going to put my glue my gemstones on. I usually glue those on after I'm done gluing on the ribbon, basically. So I thought this was very cute, you know. Like I said too, you can do this any kind of way. You don't even have to use diamond wrap. You can use flower bling, or you know, ribbon, rope, you know, all kind of different things you can use. And you can also do it on the material mats also, guys. So yeah, I thought, yep. Well, I might have to take that off and put it a little bit more close. That's what I like about the hot glue guns. You can take them off and re-stick them. It's not permanent. I just have to put that up a little bit more, like so. And then finish gluing this down. And I'm gonna finish gluing all of this together, guys. And I know I showed you one that was already finished, but I'm gonna finish this one and come back and let you guys see what the whole table looks like once everything is done. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, YouTube, let's resume. I hope I can get a very good picture to show you guys what everything looks like once it's finished. So I hope I'm getting a very good view of the tablescape. So this is what we're looking like. I think they came out very, very, very beautiful. And also the tablescape also. So let me just, like I said, show you guys. And this was a very quick video, and I love you guys out there. And always remember who you are, speak the truth, and change, guys, starts with us. Love all you guys out there, and I will be back to see you guys in another video very, very soon. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys.